Hello guys, what's up? We're here at Lions Den. They have a community skate park na under construction karon, and I will let you guys see. Tulo ni siya under the production of Bisaya. So please visit them sa Lions Den. Nice kaayo diri. So tulo ni kabuk 1, 2, 3, and they're planning to offer classes for skaters. Itestingan na nila. This is amazing kay this is built entirely from the community. So they are accepting donations, and especially the tires over there. These are, donated by the community kung kisa itong na available. Bisaya came up with this plan. Hopefully, mo improve or mo hype up ang skating community sa Dumaguete. It's one of the culture na nice kayo siya ma-promote. So, I think Calvin, our tattoo artist, shout out. I think mo mural ni siya dire. So, this is a big area. And under construction pa siya. So this is Bisaya mo create ako another video. Nice kayo. Yeah. Amazing lang kay community ang connections ba pagkuan. So si Calvin mo mural?
Ni kuan siya, ni offer siya.
Offer. Okay po kayo.
Then mga artist nga ganahan, okay, patirahan na tayo dito.
Okay kayo.
Nampon may kids pohon.
Yeah.
Mga kaila, pwede mag-lessons. Or bisag dili kid, bisag gulang, ganang ka mo lessons ba?
Si katong uyab ni
Skater, sir.
sa to?
Silpaan ba? Maui.
Mawi.
Kyra Maureen Donald.
Oh, sige sila dire. Silang Kim, JP.
Yeah.